Seven best no-equipment bodyweight exercises for beginners to reach their dream fitness goals. Do you want to transform your body in the quickest possible way? Do you want to lose extra belly weight and burn calories from the comfort of your home? Well, we have good news for you. We will show you the 7 best bodyweight exercises you can do at your home for ultimate fitness. Just learn these moves and you'll never have to pay for a gym membership again. It doesn't matter what age you are in and what body type you have. Do these exercises daily or at least twice a week, and you will see the difference within 30 days. Let's start with the warm-up. 5 to 7 minutes of brisk walking, jogging, or jumping jacks will do the job. Warming up before exercise will help you get your muscles warm and your heart pumping. You can do stretching before or after the athletic activity. Let's perform our first exercise, push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most common and effective bodyweight exercises you can perform in your home. There are a lot of different variations of push-ups you can try, but let's start with the simpler one. This is how you can perform push-ups at home. Place your hands chest-width apart, lower your arms until your upper arm is parallel to the floor. Push back up to the original position. Start with 20 push-ups on the first day. If you can't do 20 push-ups because you have never done push-ups before, then do 5 push-ups on your first day, and 1 more push-up every day until you reach 30. Squats. Squats are one of the best bodyweight exercises because they increase lower body and core strength. Squats also increase flexibility in your lower back and hips. As squats engage some of the largest muscles in your body, that's why they are effective in burning calories fast. So how to perform squats? Start with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Keep your chest up, engage your abdominals, and shift your weight onto your heels as you push your hips back into sitting position. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel or almost parallel to the floor. You should feel the squat in your thighs and glutes. Pause with your knees over, but not beyond your toes. Exhale and push back up to the starting position. Now stay in this position for 10 to 20 seconds on your first day. Your goal must be to do it for 60 seconds each day at the end of the month. Planks. Planks are very effective as they target both your abdominal muscles and your whole body. Planking helps to stabilize, balance, and power the body. It's more of a strength-building exercise than a cardio exercise. This is how you can perform planks. Cross your hands together, place your elbows about shoulder-width apart onto your chest, curl in your tailbone to straighten your back, hold for up to 60 seconds. If you can't do it for 60 seconds, start with 30 seconds a day and slowly increase the time until you can reach 60 seconds per day. Lunges. The lunge is a resistant exercise that helps strengthen your lower body, including quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. One of the great benefits of lunges is that they prepare your muscles to participate in exercise and sports that require a lunging motion. Sports that require lunging movement are tennis, yoga, and basketball. How to perform lunges. Stand with your hands on your hips and your feet hip-width apart. Step your right leg forward and slowly lower your body until your left back knee is close to or touching the floor and bent at least 90 degrees. Return to the standing position and repeat on the other side. For a variation, try stepping back into the lunge. Do 20 to 30 lunges every day. Step-ups. Step-up is a lower body exercise that targets muscles in your legs. Step-ups are also great for working on balance and stability. Now let's perform step-ups. Start standing in front of a knee-height bench or step with your feet together. Step onto the bench with your right foot, pushing through your heel and driving your left knee up. Lower your left leg down, stepping backward off the bench. Complete 10 to 15 reps with your right leg, then switch and complete 10 to 15 reps leading with your left leg. Start with 1 set of 10 to 15 reps per day. You must be doing 3 sets at the end of the month. Squat jumps. Squat jumps are the variation of squats exercises and are considered one of the prime exercises to build muscle and strength. You can also do squat jumps in the start to warm up. This is how you can perform squat jumps. Directions. Lower into a squat position with your arms bent and hands together out in front of you. Explode up into a jump, pushing through and landing back on the balls of your feet. When you reach the ground again, squat down and repeat. Complete 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Burpees. Burpees are among the full body workout exercises as they use your body weight for resistance. As a result, they burn fat very fast and boost cardio fitness. This is how you can perform burpees. Start by standing straight with your feet shoulder width apart and arms down by your sides. Start to squat down, moving your hands out in front of you. As soon as they reach the ground, extend your legs straight back so you end up in a high plank position. Immediately after you reach the high plank position, jump your feet up to your palms by hinging at the waist. Get your feet as close to your hands as you can get, landing them outside your hands if necessary. Stand up and immediately go into a jump squat. After you land, extend your legs back out again, continuing steps 3 through 4. Start with 15 reps. Congrats! You made it to the end. Just make these exercises part of your daily workout because these basic exercises will keep you in shape for the rest of your life. In just 30 days, you will notice a difference in how your clothes fit. If you want to be fit, you can watch more videos on our channel on fitness and health. If you like our video, press the like button and hit the subscribe button. Check out our other videos for fitness and burn fats. See you on our next video.